Solomon, masarap talaga. Spotless white glow every day with a Mira Advanced Skin Whitening Set. Your spotless journey begins now. Available in our new drugstores nationwide. Raw Milk Tea, Asia's premier boba tea chain store, is now delighting in the Philippines. For inquiries, email below at rawmilktea.com. Simply Philippines, creamy standard. DeLonghi Coffee, the one for coffee lovers. Regen is delicious fish crackers. A night time. Anyway, this delicious, a delicious snack buddy. Regen Snack Sarap ng rice crackers na may ingredients for a night. Regen Cheese Ring, ang paboritong cheese snacks. Indian music, jalapeno flavor. Para labang ready siya sa paglalagay, bigyan siya ng Minute-Fruit Healthy for its favorite buds. The only one with nuclear shield at boosted with 20% more calcium at lysine. Tulong para ang bata ng dapat labang ready sa paglalagay. Sa washing machine, kahit dampihan mo ang powder, ito naman siya. Kaya dapat mag-aya ang power liquid to the agad at may damage day removal na walang tira ang powder. Basta washing machine, aya ang power liquid. Breakfast muna!
Super super soft all day para ang kusina. Pag two more symptoms, they might be flu. Baka flu na, lagnat at sore throat. And by flu, baka flu na, pag-ibig si food. Two or more symptoms, baka flu na yan. Kaya by flu na.
May sugar yan! Nescafe Sugar Free ko! Nescafe Sugar Free! Introducing the new Nescafe Sugar Free with Stevia. Lasa pang sarap ng kape without the sugar. Kaya huwag na magpigil. Try it now. Ganda ng hair! Mag-long hairstyle tayo for the show. Ano ba na hair ko? Let's grow it! Sunsilk Strong and Long with aloe vera, biotin, and castor oil. For hair that's 3 times stronger and bigger looking as it grows long. Happy music! Sunsilk!
Isis! Ang hugas, mate! Ang hirap sa puti-puti!
Kakain mo! Busy mo!
Mas siguradong malinis sa Joy! Kahit mabisa laban sa sebo. Kaya ng base para hirap puti-puti o sa buhay.
Mas tiwala ako sa Miss Joy! Go tayo!
Pag-Friday na, let's eat mag-go-go. Number cubes, isang kilo mo sarap. Pag-Friday na, let's eat mag-go-go. Number cubes, masarap na go-go. Mag-go Fridays na! Dati, ang lakas nila. Ngayon mahina na tayo sa master kailangan natin ensure ko. Ito lang ang may HMB and protein that helps slow down muscle decay and build muscle strength. Stay strong.
Ang kalusugan ng mga bata sa malakas na immunity nagsisimula. Ito ang Connected Celine. Noon, ngayon, at bukas. Celine, 50 taong regular proteksyon.
Hindi na yan. Hand washing is a first line of defense against germs. Pero hindi lahat ng sabon pareho. Hand washing with Safeguard helps provide long-lasting protection against germs. Wash hands properly. Stay safe. Safeguard. Simulan mo sigurado na may pasobra. Yung Bisco Crackers, may pasobrang laki, may pasobrang dami, parang araw, ganado. Your Bisco Crackers, may pasobra dahil special ka.
Lavin growth nutrients can slow down bone growth, give you leisure growth with more growth nutrients versus regular milk to support strong growth and 1.5 times faster growth and babies.
Down with you. Under the heat, I am always confident. Best ever down. 2 times perfume against sweat, no matter how close. 2 times booty perfume for only bango. Give Downy fashion. For my family, I choose only the #1 CDO Fantastic Tocino. Made from 100% young pork. Talagang angat ang lambot at sarap. For us, wala nang iba. CDO Fantastic Tocino.
Gaganda ako! Isisigaw ko! May lakas ang boses. Problema sa balatong ilong. Pag-click si Miller. For fast relief mula sa balatong ilong. Kahit kailan, kahit saan. May lakas ang boses ko! Rex Inhaler. presyo.
Good day for a day. Bad day for a day. Mapaganap yan. Head and shoulders every day. So you're up to 100% dandruff-free every day. Head and shoulders.
Mas pinasaya kasi mas pinarami like the new Jollibee Mix and Match combo. Choose from your Jollibee page for 75 pesos or try the new page for 85 best with any of the 6 sides. Sulit sarap sa Jollibee Mix and Match. Wala sa'yo! Umaga pala, pawis ka na. Mag-type na. Sa iba, tinatakpan lang kasi ng bango ang hindi pa talaga nalilinis. Pero sa Thai, tapos ang linis. Nagbabago ka sa Thai.
Isi-skip mo ba ang milk na tama for your speech? Don't skip Nido Tea Plus. It helps give total expert protection for toddlers na mas exposed sa sakit. Dahil love mo, don't skip Nido Tea Plus. Kahit kung bakit ka naman okay, hindi pa yan.
Thank you for each other. Thank you for giving me another chance. Perfect. My wife clearly upset pero kaya ba ang problema?
Hindi kayo nag-reply.
I heard you're having problems with our show and we are currently working on a solution. What's the timeline? 3 days. They will start now.
You got this, boss.
You're leaving me, remember?
Hindi naman ako mag-explain bilang
What's wrong with secondary in the last 2 weeks? Led to very reality show Nagbubuhay Magbabalik na yung 2024 Pinoy Big Brother Gen 11 hosted by Team Chirov Dunite, Menon Cativeros Francisco, and Yana Gonzalez. At bago matali, makakasama ang Rexa Ilakabahan ang nagpapulas ng bahay ni Kuya Big Brother Gen 11 yung July na.